Welcome to the Mexico series. I'm Dane, a full-time travel vlogger who posts weekly raw travel videos of what happens in my daily life as I travel the world. I set up this channel to document my round-the-world trip and inspire others to get out there and see the world. In this series, we head to Mexico to start a big backpacking adventure in Latin America. Follow along as I give you a glimpse into the daily life of a traveler in Mexico. I mostly see beautiful things, but other times, things just don't go to plan. Subscribe down below to catch up on my weekly adventures and get inspired to travel the world. In this video, I take you on an adventure in Puerto Escondido to find the best beaches in the area. Keep on watching to find out where Puerto's secret beach is and watch me get slapped in the face by a wave. Again, and again. Buenos dias, friends. Welcome back to another video. If you saw in my last video, you'll know that I've decided to move to Puerto Escondido for the festive period. So I'm here for the next few weeks, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the best beaches in Puerto Escondido. But first, I thought I would show you my hostel room. I love my Airbnb, but unfortunately I couldn't extend there, so I thought I'd give you a quick little typical hostel tour. I would say if you are coming to Puerto Escondido around the festive time, literally everything is booked up. Including dorm rooms. I'm currently staying in the Centro, which I don't really like. This room was £17 a night. It's in a hostel. I'll leave the details below. And I've actually had a really good sleep. The only thing is just so loud, like it's so loud. So this is the bedroom. We have a nice little, a little something on the wall over there, a little mural. So I did actually clean up because I was like, I don't want to show you guys a messy room because I'm a very clean person. But unfortunately, I'm not a very tidy person. So yeah, this is basically just all my stuff, just like dumped everywhere. So yeah, it's pretty basic. The only really weird thing about this hostel room is there is no window in my bathroom. Like, some people might not mind that, but like when I'm going to the bathroom, I can literally put my hand out there. I think it's a bit weird. Kind of cute. There's like a little beer on the thing. It's got a plant in it. It's nice and pink. And then I've got a little shelf there. There's my backpack, my other bag. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The only other thing that's probably worth showing you is this. I do have a balcony, but it's really dodgy and it's so loud. And it's bloody hot today. It's very hot. It's always hot in Puerto Escondido. Yeah, I have this tiny little balcony, but I don't really come out here because it's so freaking loud, but this is my view. Hola guys, I hope you can hear me because it's pretty loud right now. Also, ignore these dad sunglasses. I need to get some new sunglasses. I got these ones the other week because I just needed sunglasses. But we are at the first beach, which is called Manzanillo Beach. I'm with my friend Selena. For some reason I just thought she wasn't going to turn up because she didn't text me back, but she was there before me. I was like, brilliant. Today is just going to be a day of exploring really lovely beaches. I came to this beach the other day with a friend and it's honestly paradise because it's quite a small beach, so not too many people come here. It's about 10 AM, so we're starting the day off early. I will also say at most of these little beaches they normally have beach huts, so at this one they've got like a cafe, they've got bars so you can get some food and stuff if you are coming down for the day. We're probably going to spend like a couple of hours at each beach just because I want to find the best beaches. I want to show you guys the best beaches. Okay, so time to go in the water and I'm so excited. It doesn't feel that hot when you're by the sea, but yeah, I'm gonna get in. It went straight in my eye. Oh my god. What am I like? Look at how I can't actually see it. Okay, so of course it's my vlog, so I'm always going to go to a food place. It's like midday. We spent the last couple of hours at Manzanillo Beach and it was honestly stunning. Like when I came here the other day, there were so many people, but there's barely any people there. So it's like a 15-minute walk from town. I'm here with Selena. I met her in my favorite cafe, Spirulina.
Yes.
So we met the other day and yeah, now we're hanging out. Puerto Escondido is such a good place to come as a solo traveler because everyone just wants to make friends and just like will talk to you in the street. We've come to Taco Dog. It's a vegan spot. I'll link it down below. We've ordered like 50 drinks and some food, so we're gonna wait for that to come. Oh my god, the food has come and it is so good. I've got cheesy beans on sourdough bread. This looks a lot nicer than the one I had the other day. And then I have some lovely, why was I gonna call this spirulina? What is this stuff called? Kombucha. I totally forgot. Kombucha. Selena just shook hers up and then the lady was like, don't shake it. And I was just like kind of looks like sick now, which is really fun. And then I have a coffee because, you know, I just need like 3 drinks. For aesthetic, that place gets a 10 out of 10. For coffee, like a 3. The coffee, I had the cold coffee the other day. I didn't like it, so I tried a hot coffee. It was like, gave me the milk separately. It was not that great. And the kombucha, how was the kombucha?
It was shit.
The kombucha was really bad. It tasted like vinegar and ketchup.
It
like that is literally, I can't explain it more. It tasted like vinegar and ketchup, but the food was amazing. So definitely check out Taco Dog if you're vegan, or you just want like a cool, like, they do like co-work in there, so they probably have good Wi-Fi. And the food is good. It's like brunch style food, which I like. It's a nice change from Mexican food, but whatever you do, go somewhere else for coffee. Playa in Spanish means beach, so we are heading to Coral Playa, which is our second beach, and then we're gonna go to another one later. It's always the best places that are hard to get to, so it's not exactly clear how you get to this La Coral beach. I'm probably gonna fall over. Oh god, I hope I haven't just manifested that I'm gonna fall over. Ah! Wow, I am really good at falling over. Oh my gosh! Apparently this is such a secret beach because it's quite difficult to get there, so we're going to try and attempt to get there whilst trying not to smash my camera. No, no. Hey. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. How do we get to the beach? This looks very sketchy. There's barbed wire everywhere.
See any paths?
This is not good. You can probably see the sweat literally dripping off my face right now. We sort of climbed down the side of a hotel, little back area, but we found path. Had a little caterpillar friend jump on me. We're gonna have to make it back before it gets dark. What was that? Did you hear that? Oh, I don't know, I heard something.
Oh, something dropping. It's
okay,
fine.
Cool. Bugs. Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Ah! We're nearly there.
Oh, there.
Oh. I think it is leaves and I'm just being really paranoid. Finally here is the only one thing to do is run into the sea. Oh my god, okay, there's rocks. Ah! That did not go to plan. That so did not go to the plan, oh my god. Okay, so it's absolutely beautiful here, but the waves again are so crazy and there's a few rocks down under the sea, so you gotta be careful because literally, like, the wave is taking me right now. My eyes. Oh my god. I also have I have pants full of sand right now, it's pretty gross. I literally just went, I don't know if you can hear me, but maybe like put the camera a little lower, but there's literally so much. Like, what the hell? Disgusting. Like, is that inappropriate? But I just sat there and got taken out by a wave and now there's so much sand in my pants. Did you see me get taken out by that wave though? Because that was a bit fucking crazy, and I still have sand in my butt, TMI. But I'm so glad we came down to this beach. It probably wasn't the safest route, and I think we can try and find a safer way to get out. But this has definitely been my favorite beach. I kind of feel like we found the dreamiest beaches in Puerto Escondido. We are now at Bacocho Beach, which is the one just on from Coral Bay, and it's probably safer to walk from Bacocho Beach to Coral Bay because the beach that we took, well, the route that we took earlier was pretty fucking dangerous, as you guys saw. We have come at the perfect time as well. We did plan to do 3 beaches today, and I didn't think we were gonna, but we did. We did the 3 beaches. We did it. So I reckon maybe watch the sunset and then head back for some food. Yeah. Standard day in Paradise, Mexico. I honestly didn't think I was gonna like Mexico as much as I love it. Well, Puerto Escondido has made me fall in love with Mexico. Like, just these sunsets. I literally have seen the sunset every day because I've been by the beach. So that concludes our day at the beach. It's been fun, like so much fun. And we ended it on Bacocho Beach. I hope you can hear me because it's so loud with the waves. Make sure you subscribe because I'm backpacking Mexico still and I'm living in Puerto Escondido randomly. So follow along. There's gonna be lots of vlogs with like food, day trips, more beaches because there's so many beaches around here. So yeah, consider subscribing. You can go follow me on Instagram at @DaneLuca as well. I post like daily content on there. And yeah, thanks for watching guys and take care. See ya.